Today I'm going to change the wheels on my Crazy Kart XL. I'm going to go step by step on how to do so. Please like and subscribe, and let's get after it. Go ahead and remove that. These got pretty chewed up. And then I'm going to go ahead and install the new ones. Clean these up a little bit. Clean this up. This shoulder screw, I put some lithium grease on here. And now I'm going to go ahead and install this wheel. Get that bushing lined up on the top. Slide that in there. Then the screw on this side. Let's just make sure it's nice and tight. There we have it. Let's move over to the next wheel. Those got cooked. New ones are much bigger diameter. Go ahead and clean this up with some simple green. Put some lithium grease on there. Get this sleeve lined up in the center. Then I'm going to go ahead, clean this off. Put that caster wheel in there. Slide that in. Then the screw on this side. Go ahead, tighten this down. Okay, there we have it. Should be good to go with the new front tire, 2 new casters. I'll probably shred through these pretty quickly. But if you have any questions, I should thread through these pretty quickly. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I hope you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.